Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Practical Librarian. I have received a query from my colleagues regarding the cataloging. The query was like this: what if we have entered a book 2 years ago? Now we have received the copy of the same book. How shall we come to know the details of that very particular book and enter the same details without typing? So to answer this query, what you will do, we will go to cataloging, then retro conversion. I will go to add new. For example, I have a book, A Tale of Two Cities. Suppose I have entered a book, A Tale of Two Cities, a couple of years ago. Now I am receiving the same copy of the book 2 years later. How shall I enter the details of that book? So what I will do, I will simply type the title here, A Tale of Two Cities. A Tale of Two Cities. Then I will move to authors directory. I will click in authors directory. I will get a message here. This title already exists at cat number 502. It means the book whose details I have entered 2 years ago. Now I have received the same copy 2 years later. I am going to enter the details of that very book, and the database tells me that this book already exists in your database at cat number 502. So what we will do here, we will simply remember this cat number 502. I will click OK. I will exit from here. I remember the cat number of the already existing book 502. I will go to cataloging again. I will go to retro conversion. Then I will not add new. I will not click on add new. Instead, I will type the cat number here 502. 502. You can see the details. A Tale of Two Cities. This book was entered in the database 2 years ago. Now we are going to enter it again. So what you will do? Simply click on add new. Then provide the accession number here. For example, the last one is here 2459. I will provide it 2460. Accession date. Details are already available here. It is 16/01/2023. Pagination, what will be the available? Suppose this 44. Binding, suppose paperback section, suppose reference section. Then I will save the copy. I am getting a message, the accession number already exists. I will click OK. It means 2460 already exists. I will go one step ahead, 2461. Then I will save the copy. Holding record saved. OK. Exit. Again I will go to cataloging. Now I will go to full catalog. Type the cat number here 502. A Tale of Two Cities, which we have received 2 years later, but the title was already existing 2 years ago. Without typing new details, you can edit here for making the changes if needed. Instead, I will go here, edit. Acquisition details are already available here. However, you can change because you are receiving the title 2 years later. Maybe there may be cost variation, there may be addition variation. You can make every change. I will click on update here. Yes. Then I will click here on edit. I will go to acquisition ID. I will 0508. I will select 508. Then update. Click on yes. In this way, we have added a new details of the title which was already existing in the library without typing the new details manually. This is method first. The second way to enter the details of the book which you have received newly in the library. However, the details of the book already exists in the system. So how you will come to know whether the title you are receiving as a new title in the library exists in the database or not? You will go to books acquisition. Simply you will click on check duplicate title. For example, I have received a book, A Tale of Two Cities, and the second way is that you will go to books acquisition. You will click on check duplicate title. This is used to check the duplicate title, the title which already exists in your library. Suppose you have received the title A Tale of Two Cities and you want to enter the details without typing. You want the title details should come automatically. So what you will do, you will type the details of the title here. A Tale of Two Cities. A Tale of Two Cities. Then you will click on search. It means the title already exists in your database. So how you will add it as a new title? Click from here, select this title. The details are available here. Here are two titles of the Tale of Two Cities, and because we have entered it in one way, we have entered it. Now the second method is that you will get the details here. So what you will do, you will click on this very option here, add as new title. So you will click on add as new title. The details comes automatically here. You can make the changes. For example, if you have received the title with new addition, maybe the 2 years ago the addition would have been first, second. Now after you have received it 2 years later, the addition may be different. So you can make the changes here. Everything you can change, whatever you will like. So click on save. However, you have to remember the cat number of the new title. The cat number is 2460. Okay, exit from here. Now for the same title is already selected here. You can add the acquisition record as well here. So click on add acquisition record. Suppose approval number, it is 1, currency, Indian rupees, item price, suppose it is 200. You will check it from the document. Copy proposed, suppose 1, and vendor will be available with you. Suppose I will put it NVF. Then click on save. Acquisition details have been saved. You can check here both the titles by clicking on forward button and backward button. See, this is acquisition ID 508 for 1 copy. This is 2487 acquisition ID for another copy. However, the cat number will remain same. So I will exit from here. So this is the way how we can enter the details of a book which we have entered 2 years, 3 years or 4 years ago. Thank you.